Winter is here and your garden is feeling the chill. Are you worried about how to keep your plants safe from frost and freezing temperatures? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll dive into 3 proven methods to protect your plants from the cold, so they stay healthy and thrive even in harsh weather. Let's get started. The first method is covering your plants. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to shield them from freezing temperatures. You can use frost cloths or row covers. These are lightweight and allow sunlight in while protecting plants from frost. Old blankets, burlap, or even bed sheets work just as well, especially for larger plants. Make sure the cover extends to the ground to trap warmth, and secure it with rocks or stakes to prevent it from blowing away. Remember to remove the cover during the day so your plants can soak up sunlight. The second method is mulching. Mulch acts as an insulating blanket for the soil, helping it retain warmth and moisture. Here's how you do it. Spread a thick layer of organic material like straw, leaves, or wood chips around the base of your plants. Make sure to leave some space around the stem to avoid rot. Mulch not only protects roots from freezing but also keeps the soil in great condition for spring planting. The third method is using water wisely. Did you know that watering your plants before a cold night can actually help protect them? Here's why. Moist soil retains heat better than dry soil, keeping the roots warm. Watering in the morning gives the plants time to absorb moisture before temperatures drop at night. But be careful not to overwater. Too much water can lead to root rot. A light, even watering will do the trick. Here are a couple of bonus tips. Bring potted plants indoors or to a sheltered spot. They're more vulnerable to cold since their roots are exposed to the air. Build a cold frame or mini greenhouse for delicate plants. It's an easy DIY project and provides excellent protection. And there you have it. 3 ways to protect your plants from the cold that actually work. Whether you're covering them, mulching, or using water wisely, these methods will help you keep your garden thriving through the winter. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your own tips for protecting plants in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay warm and happy gardening.